What is up, guys? This is Jared33. Welcome to the McDonald's app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the McDonald's app. So first, you want to download it with Android or iOS by going to the Play Store. So here, get your $1 off. Let me see. So we'll see right here. Quiet, Mina. Okay, so get your $1 off by dropping today's token. So let's play. Well, I'll do all month long. So first we need to choose a spot. Let's say number, I gotta go number 3 though. So I missed whatever that was. Okay, so close. Alright, we try again though. For reals though. So that's cool. I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, let's get it. So you play little games and stuff. So I'm gonna choose a large shake. So $1 off large shake to earn your next $1 off deal. Oh, that's cool. So what happens if I press order now? Let's see. Somebody keeps texting me. $1 off a large shake. Congrats on winning $1 off drop. So that's cool. Yeah, you can play little games and stuff. Pretty cool. So let's say I want to order, Happy Meal right here, hamburger. So that's cost, calories. You can get a lot of information on here too. So that's what's up. Like, subscribe, and share. Check links in the description.